Mukuru w'ebyobwegyesa bwa district ya Rubanda Francis Sernoni yagira ngu amashomero agarukushangwa hihina n'itimbiro ry'ekyobugaiga ekya Wolfram bona abana tibakizaho ishomero. Yagira ngu okucondoza nikworeka ngu abazaire nibo barikwiha abana abo mu mashomero ngu baze kutimba Wolfram ngu batunge sente.
Dropout rate iri high munonga nga waza kushomero nga yamuriro ngena abana nka 250 ushanga muzo barega abana shintana abandi bana bari kurima Wolfram bari mu mayinga. So c'est une challenge chonka tukazayo twabakonta tukajana bisi na DPC na chairman RC5 c'est taking up.
Omujwekero wa President mu district ya Rubanda Kyeyune Senyonjo yagira ngu orukiko rukuru rw'ebyokwerinda eriizooba rwashitama okugira ngu baronde omuhanda ogu bakubasagarra abaana b'amashomero.
Labor laws, we talk about labor laws, prohibit child labor. Now here we are in Nyamuliro and other places which have mines. The children abandon school and go, they are looking for money. I don't know how many of those have become rich as a result.
Senyonjo yashaba bakwatsirweho bona otwariremo abazaire abebembezi b'ebyanga hamwe n'abebembezi b'ediini okurebeka ngu bakwatanisa okurwanisa omuco ogu.
The situation is that one that makes the children abandon school, the parents encourage it, and at the end of it all, we don't see positive results. The LC leaders, the opinion leaders, the religious leaders, and others, what are we doing?
Ombwire bw'orukiko nirwo rumwe chairman w'entebe ya Katana Mpaire Stephen Katyaba yashurura ngu bwahati abashomesa baragirwe government kweyongerayo n'okushomesa na munonga ababa emyaka yabo yagenda bona bariyo nibashaba okuhumura kuruga omu by'okwegyesa enshonga eki yagira ngu nerabanisa mu by'obwegyesa.
Kuganiriza turamwitwe babazaine abana bari mu sini bamwe bari ha university we namaze kwega bachelors aratwara imyaka 3 ayina imyaka 5 na myaka 5 yaza kwa 5 ku defending research proposal n'icyo yakizeka harisi ya retire. Turabimanya neza turagira ki turabimanya, we know, we are very aware of the challenge ahead of you.
Katyaba yayongera yagira ngu tarkwija kwikirizana na office y'omujwekerwa wa president mu district ahanshonga eyo kukoma bakuru b'amashomero ahabo kushaba beegi akasente kaki. Katyaba yagira ngu abazaire nibaikirezana bona n'ab'obukiiko bw'ishomero okugira ngu hagira akasente kake hakubashashura.
The policy of education is very clear. When the parents agree, they will collect a contribution to the school. That's the policy. So your office had actually made my head teachers run off from their schools, and they had almost given up. And I said, no. We had a total disagreement for a period of time.
Aha cyabashomesa okushaba kuhumura emyaka etakahikire mukuru w'ebyobwegyese Francis Sernoni yajyanywe n'amazima abashomesa bariyo nibaruga omu by'okushomesa.
Empango ya abashomesa bashaba retirement last year mu financial year kumara abashomesa bahise kaga bakabaha retirement rude bagenda aenda gambira mu kwezi kwa 31 July 2026 mwaka turimo government ba master makumyana ari retirement baraza kuhumura mu kwa musharo b'ashitwe.
Gashakwa Jime Emmanuel bwa Tayari West.